So you want to promote your business online and turn your website into a cash-generating machine. But now you have the annoying task of deciphering the internet marketing all on your own. You have to figure out social media, SEO, PPC, PPM, CPM, CPA. I mean, that's just way too much information. Don't you wish there was a simple but affordable solution to this problem? Well, today, your search is over. We provide affordable solutions for all your internet marketing needs, from web advertising to search engine optimization and even social media marketing. Your website will be moving up the ranks in the search engines before you know it and generating tons of sale, all without breaking the bank. For your digital marketing, web development, and e-commerce needs, please visit us at www.zionike.net. Thank you for watching Zionike digital marketing videos. Please check our channel for other exciting and informative videos. Like, share, and subscribe for many more to come soon. Bye!